All right, tribe, I have the Rattan PINUS bike. Why is it the best e-bike for the RV life? Well, it's its foldability, its compactness. You can fold it in two easy steps. Handlebars fold down. If you hit the notch in the middle, it folds in half. It can fit in pretty much any door, house door, RV door, doesn't matter, even your truck door. But now where you're going to run into issues, as you'll see here, is probably that front pass-through on your travel trailer. It's a little too tight. Now, if you have a fifth wheel or extra storage door like myself, it won't be an issue at all. So that front pass-through is going to give you a little bit of trouble. Other than that, you can throw it in back of your pickup truck, SUV, minivan. It doesn't matter. You can fold it up, hit the trails. Rattan has actually hooked us up as well with these long-range batteries. 80 miles is each battery. That's what it's rated at. They have given me 2 batteries, so I have about 160-mile radius or range on these batteries, guys. So that allows me to be out all day long and not have to worry about making it back in time, or I get stuck somewhere and pedal back. So as you see here, you can stretch that range as much as you like. Now it takes 4 hours to charge the batteries, so you get to spend all day riding, and then you get to come back and charge it overnight, and you will be absolutely fine. As you're out all day long, you might run into some situations where you lose track of time. So you have the front light, which is a super bright LED, as well as the rear lights, which you also have active and working turn signals. Why would you need turn signals? Because this e-bike, the PINUS, is rated at 28 miles per hour, guys. 28 miles per hour, it's a class 3 e-bike. So I have even made it able to reach speeds of 33 miles per hour. I'll try to show you in some of these clips here as I'm zooming along. 28 miles is what's standard, 33 if you bump up some of the settings. But as you're going that long range, you're speeding through, your tires are super fat tires, which are going to allow you to take on any terrain you might run into, from mud, sand, to that wooded area. These have you covered. Even snow in some situations. There's a lot of grip on these tires, and they make the ride actually more stable. So I'm zooming along here. So you have all those different features, but let me not forget the front locking suspension. So that front end can take those bumps and bruises and not really impact you, or you can lock it by just turning this dial just a little teeny bit, which is awesome. They give you a color LCD screen, display screen, which will show your miles per hour, your miles traveled, your battery life. You change your settings on here. Very easy, very simple. So you have all of that right here. Now, where the RV life and the e-bike really come together is you have a 400-pound payload capacity. So you can hook a trailer on the back, which you can go get supplies like firewood or just tote things around, or you can even put a kid on back. They have the option to turn this into a seat. So I have the pegs on either side so a kid can ride back here, but they actually have a real functional seat that will go on the back as you zoom along. So you have that, and you have a trailer you can hook up. But you can do simple tasks around the campground, like taking the trash to the dumpster, walking the dog, just riding around. So you don't need a golf cart or hop in your vehicle and waste gas anymore. Hop on the e-bike, cruise around the campground, and have fun while you're doing it. And if you see a trail, take the path less traveled there. Kickstand is very smooth, very easy down here. As you see, it's labeled very clean. Rattan, you have PINUS on both sides of the rear, and you can lock out your batteries as well. So I'm probably forgetting a couple awesome features, but it has a 750 watt brushless rear motor. That's what's powering this thing. But another question or another reason or excuse you're going to use not to get this is, how lazy is it going to make me? Not much. It's an 8-gear system, biking system. So if you really want to pedal, you still can pedal. Now, if you need help, if you come to a situation where it's too steep or too rough, you have your pedal assist to help zoom along. That torque sensor inside there will match your speed and help push you up the biggest hills and also over some of the roughest terrains, guys. So the Rattan PINUS is awesome for all those adventures, especially in the RV life. I have the discount code here below. Check it out. Use that link if you're interested, or at least check out their website, because they have different models, different situations, or tons of accessories. As you see here, I have the pegs I put on mine, the extra bag. I have a cup holder that mounts here, phone holder, and it has everything. It looks sleek. It looks good. Max Your Journey Tribe, if you're really interested in getting one of these, remember the discount code is below. Rattan gave it to us, or to me, so I can share with you guys and the rest of the tribe so we can save some money on top of this. Again, not cheap. This is the best quality, best e-bike for the RV life. Super strong build. It's probably going to be the last e-bike you'll need for a lot of years, guys. It does everything you could think of. It folds up. It doesn't get any better than this. And probably when they do come out with a couple more upgrades, we'll let you know and we'll share them with you, because it has a secret plug in the back, which possibly could lead to you charging up different items as you travel throughout your day. So imagine if you're hiking, you take one of these bikes and set up a tent. I don't know. Maybe it's coming, maybe it's not. Hit subscribe, and I'll check you out next time. This is the Rattan PINUS, and I appreciate them for sponsoring this video.